So most audiophiles have heard about the importance of occasional cleaning of your connectors. That is your cables and your inputs and outputs. Every so often in order to enhance the quality of the playback. And I agree, this is beneficial, although I like making my own bed. I don't admit to doing it as often as I should. And most tools that are out there are friendly enough to be used to clean the RCAs and the speaker binding posts and so forth. But there aren't many well-known tools for cleaning the most precious of the signals and the weakest of the signals, and that is the cartridge clips and cartridge pins. And so that's what we'll talk about right now. My preferred cleaning fluid is DeoxIT Dn5 for pretty much all of my connections, and definitely including the cartridge pins and the cartridge clips. But getting inside of those cartridge clips is real tough. You don't want to put anything in there to clean inside of those clips that's going to deform the clips, because then of course you won't be able to get a nice snug fit between the clip and the cartridge pin. By the way, if this situation applies to you, I got a soundbite video coming up soon on how to fix that situation. There are two cleaning tools that I use in this process, both of which I will put in the description of this video and at a screen at the very end. Both of these products are made by CAIG. I hope I'm saying that right, C-A-I-G. And it's this small little brush that does a great job of being able to fit right into the cartridge clips. So the simple process is, once you put a little light squirt of the DeoxIT on the brush, you just insert the brush into the clip and give it a light scrub. That's it. Do that on each of the clips. For the pins, also from the same company, I like these Swabs. Again, give them a little squirt and then clean the pin. Somehow, and this is not something I can explain, even small amounts of oxidation can impact the transfer of energy. So all I know is that that once you clean that oxidation off, you can expect the sound to just kind of open up a bit more, a little more sparkle on the higher frequencies. It just sounds a little bit more natural and open. So do this at least once a year, maybe twice a year. It doesn't take long, and you don't have to remove the cartridge or the head shell, if you've got a removable head shell, at all to do this. Just hold the cartridge clips with a hemostat or a tweezers while you're cleaning them so that you can control the movement. That's it for this week's Sound Bite. Next week, another one.